I need to get my hair out of my face, so this is my only option. Not really, but it works.
This is not an ASMR video.
I'm gonna be doing my makeup. My aunt got me a new eyeshadow palette and I really want to try it out, so that's what I'm gonna do. It has some really pretty colors. Don't mind me talking to myself. Just doing a makeup tutorial, you know. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair in a scrunchie. Hot. This is my mirror. It did have a light on it, but the batteries are dead, so. Now, it just doesn't have a light. Also, I'm filming on my new phone. So, there's a wasper, whatever, outside of my window. And I keep thinking it's inside. And so it scares me to death. Where's my
chapstick?
Found it. Sorry. This doesn't work very well. But like, my lips are very dry. It looks like it's gonna like storm. Start off with some nice Shape Tape. And this is in the shade Fair. And there's a lot of gunk around it because it does that for some reason. And if I'm looking over here, it's because my mirror's over here. Yeah. I thought I'd just inform you about that. Cover my nasty forehead. I'm just gonna use this as foundation because I am almost out of foundation. This looks way too pale for my skin. It's because it is. It just like disappeared. But also, don't come for me if I'm doing this wrong. I'm not a beauty guru. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do because this is a light cover. I'm almost out of this, but it's the NYX HD finishing powder. I'm just gonna use this part of my beauty blender. It's not an actual beauty blender, but I'm gonna like tap some under my eyes. There's an eyelash. Ow, I just like put that on my eyeball. On my forehead. And my chin. I would put some on my nose, but it makes my nose look all cakey, so I'm not gonna do that. Time for eyebrows. I really need to pluck my eyebrows, but like, am I going to? No. It's a lot to deal with. I have a unibrow, but I really don't want to fix it. I mean, I do, but like, no. I messed up. I get nervous on camera, so I mess up a lot. Like, it looks decent. Doesn't look anything like it normally does, but it's fine. There's like a weird odd spot of hair there that I'm actually like afraid to pluck, but I want to because it just like is like a weird ball of hair. But like, I'm afraid if I pluck it, it'll make my eyebrow look weird. Okay, that's it for eyebrows. They look nothing alike, but that's how they look in real life. So, time for brushes. Okay, I'm gonna take, my aunt got me new brushes, so like these are all new. These are the Wet n Wild brushes, I think. All my eyeshadow brushes are, that's an e.l.f. brush. All my eyeshadow brushes are Morphe brushes. Thanks to my aunt, because my aunt loves me and buys me makeup brushes. Okay, these brushes are white because you can tell all the product that goes onto it, and I'm afraid it's always so dark. Also, this is like not a makeup tutorial. I'm not even showing you what I'm doing. I guess I could show you. This is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. My nose is running, hold on. Okay. And I'm using this one first. I'm also doing a really bad job, so don't mind that. Also, my forehead never wants to contour. At least it never looks like it wants to. In person. Give myself a good sharp jawline. Pretend to contour my nose. This one with the same color. I never do this, I'm just, oh, that was really dark. Back with this brush and blend. Anyways, what I do next is I go in with this one and I try to get as much of it off the brush as I can, and I just bronze my face because I'm pale. Okay, time for blush. I'm using the Party. It's the one you get in the birthday thing from Sephora. This looks a lot better on camera than it does in person. I'm just letting you know. A little bit on my forehead, my nose. Give me that sunburnt look. I guess it's time for eyeshadow. I'm gonna start off with the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette and the Morphe M573 brush. And I'm gonna take Commando, that one right there, and just go in my crease. And I'm gonna take this one, and I have no idea what these shades are because they have no names. So I'm just gonna show you. But it's the Profusion Cosmetics Ultra Warm Palette. This one, this shade, with the same brush because, you know. And I'm gonna take this color. Same brush, obviously. They're all orange. I mean, this is a warm toned palette, but why are they all the same color? I mean, they're not all the same color, but Now I'm gonna take this one. I stuck my finger in it. Let's swatch it. Okay. Still the same brush, because you know. Just gonna do more on the outer edge. Okay, now I'm gonna actually take a different brush. I'm gonna take the Morphe E17 brush, and I'm gonna go in with this one over here. And I'm gonna take the Morphe E27 brush and go back in with, I don't know which colors I use, I'm just gonna go in with this one. To try and lighten it up. I'm gonna try and blend the edges out, you know. Okay, enough. It has concealer all over it, but it's the L'Oreal Paris, I pronounced that so wrong, sorry. Brow Stylist Shape and Fill, but it doesn't match my eyebrow color, so I use it as an eyeliner. I'm gonna line my waterline. I'm going to save you from seeing this. So cut this out, Elizabeth. Also on the bottom of my eyes too. Oh gosh, I look high. Hey. Curl my lashes. It's just a basic lash curler, you know. Ow. It sounded like my house just fell apart. It's very dirty. Sorry, all my makeup's dirty. This is Clinique High Impact Mascara. I got it in a thing from Ulta. I don't know. I can't get the music to work, so here's a song. Do 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 do. Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Morphe E36 brush and this color, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. Can't really see it, but it's fine. I'm gonna highlight because you know it's important. I use the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette. I use this one. This brush doesn't work too well. I don't know how to use fan brushes. I'm gonna put some in my inner corner. I'm gonna take my hair down and then I'll spray my face. And I use the e.l.f. setting spray. I use a lot of drugstore makeup because I'm cheap. My face is still a little like damp, whatever you want to call it. I should have put some like sparkles, but like no. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you know. And give the video a like if you liked it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.